Hi everybody, well, welcome to our last bit of the semester. We're ready to wrap up. So let's just go over the few remaining things to do. So if we navigate from our home page, next week, starting on November 22nd, we're in the course wrap up right here. So if you click here, you will actually see this video in a moment. Here will be a clickable link. So what do we have left? Basically, we have a complete study guide to prepare you for the exams because our exams start on November 29th. Next week, November 22nd, from November 21st rather, until November 25th, we have our speaking exam, which will be done on Zoom as you already know, but the rest of the exams will happen a week later. So this is a study guide to work in preparation for it, and the deadlines basically are similar. You have the whole next week to work on your study guide. The idea is to answer it first. It's a Word document, and then you check your answers. Now, if you have any questions, well, of course, feel free to ask me via WhatsApp in our group. Next week is also your last chance for Conversation Club participation. So check the schedule. If you click on the link here, it will lead you to the schedule so you can check when you're able to take it. And finally, for further explanations and exercises, as I'm indicating here, you can access those under the language in action of every single unit. So, for example, if you want to take a look at the first one, you would go to Unit 6. I need to check the navigation there. But let's say I can always access Unit 6 from the home page. So I would go back, and I would click on each unit. So let's say we go to Unit 6. And if you go to the language in action right there, the one you had done back in September, and you will find the extra resources link right before the tasks. So you click on there, and you will see all the different resources I had prepared for you at the beginning of the semester. And the same thing for Unit 7, 8, and 9. You can navigate by going back to the home page, clicking on Unit 7, the same thing. You would go to Language in Action, and there would be an extra resources link, and the same thing for every single unit. So basically, this is what you can do in preparation. Again, we're almost at the course wrap-up week, and these are the activities that you would need to do to get ready for taking your exams. All the exams will be done right here on Canvas, and they will be available when the time comes, starting with Monday, November 29th, I believe. You would actually go to Level Exam, and this is where you would click to take them. Well, I wish you all the best as we wrap up the semester, and I'm available on WhatsApp or by email if you have any questions, although WhatsApp is actually faster. All the best finishing up your semester.